Welcome to Dropshipping 2024 Decoded, Zero Inventory, Maximum Potential. In this series, we will be breaking down how dropshipping works, why it's awesome, and the pitfalls to avoid. In today's video, we'll start with the basics. First up, dropshipping. What is it exactly? Dropshipping is a business model where a retailer doesn't keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer orders, shipment details are transferred to the supplier. The supplier prepares and ships the products directly to the customer. After a few days, the customer receives the order. So basically, you act as the middleman, managing marketing, sales, and customer service while outsourcing inventory management and shipping. Your profit comes from the difference between what your customers pay you and the cost of your goods. So now that you understand how dropshipping works, let's dive into why it might just be your next smart business move. 1. Since you don't need to stock inventory, it means less upfront cash and lower risk. 2. You can test different product categories and market trends without committing to large inventory purchases. 3. All you need is a laptop and a dash of creativity to run your shop from anywhere in the world. Dropshipping might sound like a retailer's dream, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Like you don't handle stocking, quality checks, order fulfillment, or shipping, which means you're heavily dependent on your suppliers. If they fumble, you're left in the hot seat trying to resolve issues and soothe customer frustrations. That's why it's crucial to be sharp with our research in dropshipping, whether you're hunting for the best suppliers or picking standout products. Stick with us in this series, because we're here to guide you through it all. For exclusive e-commerce resources, join our Telegram and Discord channels linked below. Keep striving and see you in the next video.